Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Yes, you can have both dry and wet cough symptoms together. A dry cough is irritating without mucus, while a wet cough produces phlegm. Infections or allergies can cause your airways to react differently, resulting in a mix. If your cough lasts or gets worse, see a healthcare professional for proper care.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.